And yeah, we're gonna get into it. Is it worth it?
You choose your life over your son, that shit killed them. I never asked you for anything, that's your honesty. How you trade on me like that?
Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Diddy Loading back at you guys with another one, another review. And today, another clothing brand, another clothing company. You know what I'm saying? They hit me up. They told me I should try them out. So without further ado,
keep that same energy.
This is Confidential Clothing. I've been seeing them doing a lot of advertisement on Instagram and everywhere. So I guess they up and coming. This right here, a little small box, as you can see, $65. So yeah, so I got this one just to try it out. If there's some heat, I'm gonna keep shopping with them. Make sure you guys use the code DDLOAD10 for like 10% off. Let's say I ordered this on December 2019, I want to say 26, and it was here January 7th. So take in mind, you know what I'm saying, normal shipping days, USPS shipping. Came in this box. I don't really know too many clothes companies that come in this box, but hey, it's something different, you know what I'm saying? Not everything can come in UPS or FedEx. It was 3 different boxes you can get, and they of course went higher. This was the cheapest box, so of course I got the cheapest box just to start out on it. Was talking back and forth, very responsive brand, so it made me, you know what I'm saying, feel better about buying from them. They're gonna send you an email after you buy the 60 or whatever amount that you purchase. They send me an email saying I had to fill out an application or something like that, you know what I'm saying, saying what clothes size I wear and all that, what type of style I wear. So yeah, that was very unorthodox, and I do a lot of buying online, and I haven't did that yet. So that was something new, you know what I'm saying, so just take that in mind when you're doing it. I don't think it's no type of scam. So without further ado, let's get into the box. Let's get into it. I don't know. It seems like you can see.
God, please,
I got shirts in here. Comes with a little sticker. So let me see. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. So it only came with 4 shirts. So $65, 4 shirts. But anyway, shirt kind of big. I should have ordered a small. But as you can see, pretty straight little shirt, little medium. It's gonna shrink, of course. Visual, that's what it say on the shirt. Didn't have anything on the back. I had it at 65 with the shipping and handling already in it. I don't think I paid shipping and handling. I think it was just 65, yeah. This is the front of the shirt. My second shirt has a little dolphin. This not pink dolphin, is it? Nah, pink dolphin would have had. But this is the back. It say dolphin on it, and it says 2008. We got another medium. So this is the medium. The medium is a little big. I ain't gonna lie, I should have got a small, but I never know what size or how they fit. So hopefully I can get these to shrink. It say lifeguard, not on duty. So that's what's up. Nothing on the back. Here go a pink sweatshirt. On the front it say no thank you, and on the back it got no thank you as well. So the shirt was pretty straight, $65, including shipping and handling. So I didn't have to go to no store, so they made it a lot easier. And make sure you guys use my code if you want to even try it and get 10% off. But yeah, that's it. That's all that came in the package. I was expecting a little more than some shirts, but hey, put the sticker up on the wall somewhere. $65, is it worth it? You guys let me know in the comments. And I want to try getting a bigger haul from these guys. Like, I think it was like $100 worth one. Do you guys want to see the $100 one? If I buy that one, would you guys enjoy seeing that one? Just to see if it's a hit or miss. This is right here, 4 t-shirts. I'm gonna say it's a cool hit. It's a cool, just by the way they were so responsive and transparent in like the DMs or whatever. That was pretty cool. I'm just an ordinary person. I'm not even a big YouTuber. So yeah, till next video, peace out.
I got money with the fame, PayPal with the transfer, brought my mama straight to tears. Get her a ride and steered. She ain't paid rent in years. Couldn't park at the store.